Yo, what's up? My name is Austin. Welcome back to the vlog. Yeah. Yeah. That's new to me, so. Yeah, it's new to me. Sorry guys, this is really fucking new to me. Well, it's all time. Welcome back to the vlog. Yeah, I'm actually using a camera this time instead of my phone, which is a little weird to me, you know. But yeah, but I'm going to try to figure out how to, you know, throw it on YouTube. But you know, so I'm just gonna test this. Just hold on. I'll make another vlog in a second. I'm just gonna test this. Actually, you know, if you guys like this video or like this camera or whatever, I'll do my vlogs on the phone and then do the recording on the camera where I'm at. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. I'll see y'all next video. Bye bye.